My own name is Graphics Art and warmly welcome to our YouTube channel where we'll be showing you tricks and updates about AI technology. So without wasting our time, let's dive into the tutorial. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. So after you go to your web browser, search for www.lexica.art. So after that, it will pop up like this. It may not show you that you should create an account, but when you want to generate AI images, it will actually request for that. So you can do two things in this place. The first thing is that you can search, and the second thing is that you can generate yourself. So you can search for things that others have generated, and you can generate your own new things that no one has suggested before. Maybe you have any idea. So don't see that, I beg you, daddy.
It's crazy.
So it's either you search or you generate. You can see this both button. The first one search for is search, and the second one is generate if you want to search and if you want to generate. So this icon also is for generate, and this one is for the one you have generated before and the one you rated love and settings. Maybe you want to say some things about Lexica Art. So we are going to go to the part of generating because we don't want to search, because we want to set those images to stock websites so that we can pay, and those that have been generated before, they may not accept it because that person may have uploaded it to those websites. So let's go for the part of generate. So I'll click on generate button now. So I'll just click on generate button and I'll wait for it to load, or I can still click on the second icon I showed you guys. So after you click on the generate button, this is how it will look like. So the first thing here is to input our prompt, and you are going to wait for the output. So it's very simple, and so the first thing is just to this place that where they wrote describe your image, how you want your image to look like. So just click on the place and try to enter what we call prompt. Prompt is just the description of your image or what you want to talk about. So let's just search for something very simple, and a boy. So because of our time, I'll just go for a boy inside water. So the negative prompt is just that maybe you want to give some more advanced details to your image, but because of this video tutorial I won't be able to explain more about that. So I'll just click on generate. You can just put more information about this and wait for it to generate your image for you. So you can see how it loads. This one is those image I have generated before. So output which you have to or more, but due to the fact that the network connection is not that serious, so we are going to just download it. To download it's very simple. Just click on it and you will find download icon. This is just the download icon. So just just click on it and it will start downloading to your phone, so, or maybe your laptop. So if you are using laptops to do this, so you can see this file is actually downloading, and you can still search for another thing to generate. So but because of this video tutorial, I don't want it to be very long, and I think I have serious issue here recording this video, so I will just move straight forward to CapCut. So CapCut is a mobile application that is mainly meant for video editing, but they have input some advanced AI technology inside it. So through CapCut you can now generate AI images. So I'll just click on it. If you want to get this CapCut app, you can just go to your Google Play Store or Apple Store or whatever. So, or you can just click on the link that I'll put in this group description and go and download the premium version from our Telegram group. So this is it, text to image. So this is it, text to image. This is how it will look like. I have already generated this image that pop up there. That is why it shows like this. So the first thing you have to do is just to clear this up. It can show something like this, and input your prompt. As I have said earlier, prompt is just the description of your image. Let's put the same prompt we used earlier. It generates 4, and you can still generate more if you want more. So let's just wait for it to load. You can see now it's quite amazing, and I think it's quite good. So you can upload it to any platform you want to upload it, and you can still try another prompt. So you can input anything of your choice. Just make sure that you are generating the right image. So just determine how creative you are. So to download it is very simple. Click on this 3-dotted line here. This 3-dotted line. Click on them one by one and click on save. You can see save here. You can see save here, and click on save. If you want to upscale means that you want to increase the quality, so you can click on save, and now that one, click on save, and you can see this. You can see this. So if you want to save this also, click on it and click on save. So that will be all for the CapCut part. So the next part is Leonardo.ai. So let's move straight forward to our Chrome browser again and go to their website. So these are their websites will look like. The reason why it pop up like this is that I have already generated image like this in this app before. Sure, you get me. So due to that fact, it will still show me. Maybe I still need them. So the first thing is that when you go to app.leonardo.ai, I will leave the link in the this video description, so that you can just try to download it to access the website from that place. And so After opening it, you have to create account with them. So do where to create account and choose your preferred name and other stuff like that. It's very simple to create account with them, and it will now show like this. They will give you, I think, 150 credits as the first time. So daily trial, so it has limit. That means that once you generate up to that, you have used all those credits, you have to pay them unless you want to come back the next day. So let's move straight forward to the point. So if you see this thing here that says here, a boy inside water, that is the prompt I used. So in the case of yours, you may not use this prompt I am using. So you may put something that's very dynamic and professional. So I'll just clear it and let me use a lady this time around. So this is the simple prompt I want to use this time around. So determines on you. This is dynamic. Click on this dynamic. Let me show you. This dynamic here. So this is it. This dynamic. So just click on it. The drop that arrow behind it and change the image. Maybe you want to be in dynamic environment, general, anime, and you want to make it creative or 3D. I use 3D, so I will go for 3D again. So I'll still teach you guys how to change this to video so that it can be in form of video. So click on generate 20 coin. So I'm going to use 20 coin to generate this, and it will give you, I think, 4, but you can still increase that. So there are multiple more advanced things. You can still change some things. The number of when you want it to be generating at each time. A public image, if you want to be public, the dimension, maybe you want it to be in portrait size, you want to calculate the dimension. And advanced control, maybe you want to control maybe the look or whatever. So that's just that about that. So you can just try to figure them out. And so I think our image have finished loading. So the next thing for us is just to download the image, but I think the image is still trying to show, but I think it is my own data connection. So alright guys, so this is the outcome. We can see this is the image of the lady with the dog that we search for, and this is the boy inside water. If you notice that this Leonardo have been the best among the AI tools that generates AI image, though it is not free, but you can realize how the image looks like. They were somehow beautiful and more professional. So to download it, it's very simple. Just click on that particular image. You can click on it and hold. You will notice some things. You will see the download button. You can just click on it straightforward. Okay, this file has downloaded, so you can still click on it like this, and you see this the second icon, this one. Can you see? So that is download icon. You just click on it and it will start downloading immediately. You can see I've downloaded this already before, so you can just click on this cancel. So to download it, so it's very simple. You can still click on it like this. So I don't download it again. You can still click on it and download it again. So thank you for watching this video, and I remain graphics arts and see you in the next video tutorial. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video so that YouTube can recommend it for others that they can benefit from this. So thank you for watching and see you again.